we're discussing about the topic is Gauss law. It is the important for the 4 marks question. See, the previous class we're discussing about in a electric flux. See, what is the definition for the electric flux? The number of electric lines the passing through a perpendicular to the unit surface area. Unit surface area is called as the electric flux. Now that electric flux using, we're not finding the all the equations. Okay, that's why we can develop the Gauss law. The Gauss is the scientist name. He can develop by the find the simplifying of the electric field, the simplifying of the electric field of a calculations, and also you can find the simplify of the total electric flux, the total electric flux associated with a closed surface, associated with a closed surface. Now see, this is a statement. See, now we can ask the question, define Gauss law, define Gauss law, and writes its importance. Writes is the importance. Now first we see discussing about this statement. See the total electric flux, the total electric flux through any closed surface, any closed surface is equal to 1 by epsilon naught, 1 by epsilon naught times the net charge, enclosed by the surface, by that surface is called as the statement of Gauss law. What is the total electric flux through any closed surface? This is the closed surface. This will be equal to 1 by times of net charges. Now here is there the number of charges, Q1, Q2, Q3 and so on, Qn. In a closed surface, this total net charge is equal to the electric flux is called as the, what is called as a Gauss law. Now you can write here the, see this electric flux, the total electric flux. We can write the mathematically this equation. The total electric flux is equal to Q by epsilon naught. Q by epsilon. Q is nothing but the charge. See right here the net charge by epsilon naught. Here epsilon naught is a permittivity in free space. R is nothing but is called as the A. See, this is the formula for the Gauss. What is the total electric flux is equal to 1 by epsilon naught of net charge. Now this is the equation based on by definition. See, by definition is nothing but this is the definition. That is the total electric flux through any closed surface is equal to 1 by epsilon naught times of net charge. By the definition, total electric flux through the closed surface S is given by what is the, by the definition, the total electric flux through the closed surface S is given by, that is the flux pi is equal integration What is taken by the integration? Closed. This is the closed surface into electric field into ds bar. See, ds is nothing but surface of area, E is nothing but to electric field. Therefore, we can write this is the total equation. The based on this is the phi, and this one also equal to q by q. This is the flux total is equal to integration of S surface into E bar dot ds bar is equal to q net by epsilon naught. See, this is the statement of a Gauss law. The next we discussing about its importance. See here, the importance of Gauss law. See, importance is nothing but useful, and also say the uses of a Gauss law. It have the mainly we discussing about the 3 points are there. The first one say the it is useful. It is useful. It is the useful in calculating it is useful in calculating the electric intensity and electric potential due to charge distribution. This is the first importance. What is it? It is useful in calculating the electric intensity and electric potential. The electric potential we discussing about the next chapter, and due to charge distribution. Now see the second point. The second importance, the Gauss law is applicable. Gauss law is applicable for stationary and also moving charges. See, this is the applicable for the second one, applicable for the stationary and also moving charges. Now the third one is that it is applicable for closed surface of any shape and size. See, this is the three importance. The first one, what is that? It is useful in calculating the electric intensity and electric potential due to charge distribution. When the charge can be distribution, that time the useful to we can find out the result. And also it is applicable for the stationary and also moving charges. And third one is there, it is applicable for the closed surface for any shape and size.